pressure. Under pressure.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the Metal Scrap channel. So, as you can see, this was the failed cast, the Ducati logo, and all of you have voted for make a new one. So I will make a new one. Got some upgrades. I will make taller sprues, so there will be more head pressure, and also the pouring sprue will be a little bit thinner, and the exit sprue will be a little bit wider. So those are the improvements I will do. So, going to mold this pattern up again, and this time we'll make a proper Ducati logo, I hope. Alright guys, so got the pouring area set up. I was not totally happy with the how the mold came out. A lot of loose sand inside the mold. But it's more a test if I can have a solid cast. As you could see, some big dents in this cast. So it's not really about details this time. Too bad, if the mold came out good it was better. But we'll try to reduce these cavities. So let's fire up the furnace and melt some aluminium and pour it. And see what progress we made. Right guys, got quite a crack here on this crucible, so this will be the last time I'll be using this. I knew about this crack, but this is new, so this will be the last use. Safety first. Don't have a last crucible for the cast, so yeah, I need to use this one. Too bad it's already failing. It's not a really old crucible. But yeah, I'm going to order a new one. This will be the last use of this one. Well, okay, I think we had some pressure on the cast, a little bit too much. That's one good thing, but don't think this will be a successful cast. I might add some extra weight on the flask to keep the cope and drag together while pouring. This is the first time I have a leak like this. Really bad. Okay, I'll let this cool down, and I think I ain't see any metal. There was some metal, but it all leaked away, so I think this is a fail. But at least I know there is enough pressure to lift the cope and the drag. So I'll let this cool down, open it up, and I think we have a failure again. But yeah, like I said, we now know we can have some more pressure on the cast. Alright, so I'll take the pouring cups off and we'll open it up. I don't think there's a lot of metal left anymore, but yeah, I had some pressure on the cast. That was one thing for sure. Oh whoa guys, there's still some metal left. I don't think this is a success, but did not expect there would be some metal left inside. That's really crazy. So right, there is still some metal left. Really crazy. You can see where it was pouring outside the mold. So the next time I definitely need to have some heavy pieces on top of the flask. But now I'm really curious how this will turn out. Will there be the patterns? Will there be air bubbles? We're not sure. Well, this was to be expected. This is totally enough. Alright, so yeah, keep tuned to my channel to see another go at it, but it will be later on this year or maybe even early next year, because I know what went wrong and next time it will be a proper cast. Right guys, so too bad not some nice end shots. This came out of the mold. Well, yeah, I think I could do better, but we know what the problem was today. I think we have enough pressure to fill up the total mold with no air pockets inside. I hope. Yeah, but next time I will reinforce the cope with some heavy pieces. So this will not happen again. Yeah, I succeeded at adding extra pressure to the cast. So I hope you guys like this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to see a melting video every week. Yeah, I thank you for watching this time. There was some action. Some of the details came out pretty good. But now we do not have an ducati, but an ati. So, still no success. I did it once correctly, but we'll get there. Thank you for watching. Have a great week. And I'll see you next week. Maybe with some successful casts. Bye bye.